guys, welcome to my channel SAPLOBBY. Today we'll discuss how quality management integrated with repetitive manufacturing. So basically, this is about the how we can utilize the quality management for manufacturing. So before we proceed, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And this is my fifth session on the repetitive manufacturing. So if you did not go through the previous session on the repetitive manufacturing, I will give the link in the description box. Please go through that. So let's start. So first thing, in the repetitive manufacturing, the quality management integration of quality management to create the in-process inspection lot. So suppose you are following the reporting point, you are using the reporting point in the repetitive manufacturing, and you have operations in the multiple operations in the rate routing, then this inspection lot to have the inspect after each operation. Okay, and this inspection lot is not basically the quantity based. This is basically in process inspection lot. So this is not the stock relevant. And inspection type 13 is for the repetitive manufacturing. Okay, so that is the inspection type. Okay, and there are some prerequisites are there to get the inspection lot. First, the RM profile should have the reporting point. Okay, and so you should follow the reporting point manufacturing, and control key in rate routing should have the milestone confirmation. So because generally if you use the reporting point in the repetitive manufacturing profile, then you should need the control key with milestone confirmation, else you will not able to do the reporting point confirmation. Third, it's your inspection type 13 should be assigned to metal master. Okay, so these are the basic requirement for to have the inspection lot for in the repetitive manufacturing. Okay, now inspection lot can be created through the transaction MFPR. Okay, so let me go to the system. I will show you demo in that system. So let me go to one material. So first I'll show the setting in the metal master, then we'll go to the RM profile. So MM03 material. So this quality management should extended with this finished material. Okay, so this is the inspection setup. So here I have assigned this 13. Okay, the inspection type should be assigned to this metal master. Then if we go to rate routing, so rate routing should have milestone confirmation control key, and characteristics should be assigned to that rate routing. So this is the these are the operations. So this is the control keys. If you go to the control key, So here, so these are the milestone confirmation. Okay, it has milestone confirmation. Okay, and then you need to assign the characteristics basic, because this will create the in-process inspection lot. So basically you will check the quality after each operation. You can check the your specification, metal specification with this inspection lot, and you can record that with with this inspection lot. So this is operation. If I go to the characteristic, so I have assigned some characteristics here. Okay, so you can also assign the characteristics here, inspection characteristic for each operation. Okay, so this is the second prerequisite. And then if I go here, so once, and before that I'll again go to material. Here in material, if I go to the MFPR, so MFPR of the RM profile 0003. Okay, so if I go to the SPRO, okay, and production, and under production repetitive manufacturing, and under repetitive manufacturing control, and this is the profile. Okay, and here, so see, this reporting point should be activated in for the repetitive manufacturing. I am using 0003, so it has the reporting point. Okay, now so these are the prerequisites to get the inspection lot. Now we'll go and check how we'll create the inspection lot for the repetitive manufacturing. So there is a transaction MFPR. Okay, MFPR. So here you need to, suppose if I say QM active, so QM active without, suppose you don't have any inspection lot outstanding, means there is no inspection lot, open inspection lot, then you can choose this one. Okay, else you can choose QM active, and here plant and material and this production version. Okay, you have to give. Now so here because now there is no open inspection lot, so that's what it is saying. It is giving the red signal, and active means your material is activated for QM. That's what there is a green flag. Okay, now here, so this was the last inspection lot where already user decision happened. So if you look at user decision is green tick, so it is done. So there is no open inspection lot. Okay, now I'll select this one. So here we don't have option to give the quantity. Okay, only it will create by default, it will create one in process inspection lot, and it will have, system will have give the quantity 99, some maximum quantity it will be updated in the inspection lot. So I can show you how to, suppose if you want to change the quantity, how to change the quantity of inspection lot. Okay, so here, then we click on the create inspection lot. After selecting this one, we'll click on the create inspection lot. Okay, so if you look at now, inspection lot 13005 for metal RF is created. Okay, now this is created. So now what we'll do, we'll go to the QA32. So if we go to, now inspection lot is created. Okay, now you will go to the QA32. Okay, in QA32, if I give 13, because I don't have much material with this inspection lot, so if I execute, this is the inspection lot. Okay, so here if I go, this is quantity is coming 99 because we don't have option to like change the give the quantity, so it is giving 999. Okay, and now here suppose you want to change the quantity, you can change the quantity is correct actual quantity. Okay, so here we can suppose if I give the 10, okay, we can give the, so here I will change the quantity. It will change later on. Yes. Okay, let's see. I changed it. Let's see, it will change automatically. Okay. Now we'll do the result recording for this inspection lot. Actual lot quantity is created is 99, but its actual lot quantity is 10. It is updated. Okay. Now if I go and do the result recording, suppose if I go and do the result recording, okay, so I have 3 operations 10, 20, 30. Okay, for this one if I say inspected 1, okay, and result, okay, it is inspected, so we can do the result recording here for each operation wise. Okay, accepted. Then we'll do the next operations. Okay, and here also 1 and okay, and then so 1 and okay, so now we did the result recording. Okay, so this is how we can create the in-process inspection lot with in proper repetitive manufacturing. And this is not the stock relevant stock related inspection lot, and we can do the result recording for that, and after that you can do the UD of that inspection lot. Once we have the completed this one, then we can do UD also. So if you want to do the inspection lot UD, you can do the UD here. Okay, and save it. Okay, so this is how QM is integrated with repeated manufacturing, and this is how we can create the inspection lot for the repeated manufacturing. Okay, hope you will like this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.